Hello, today we're going to be going through 7 steps that we take when buying a used car.
Whether privately or from a forecourt to stop you getting scammed. This is the Mini we purchased. Hopefully Rory followed these 7 steps when he was buying it. First thing you want to check is the V5 details. Does the registration number match? Front and back, also with the V5. Check the chassis number, bottom left hand of the windscreen. Make sure it's not been tampered with. Make sure it's not been re-teeped or a bit of paper's been put in front of a different chassis number. Again, it matches the V5. Next step, does the vehicle details match the owner's details? Is it the same address? Is it the same name? Preferably first and last name, but last name mainly. They could be selling it for a family member.
Step 2, fluids. First of all, check the oil. Check the oil level. Is it at a decent level? Is it below level? Is it above level? What kind of condition is the oil in? Is it clean? Is it old? Check the oil cap. Any milky residue on the oil cap could potentially be signs of a blown head gasket. That's expensive. We don't want that.
Yeah, very expensive.
Check the coolant. Is there any dark spots in the coolant? That's oil in the coolant. Also don't want that.
Step 3, getting ready to start the engine. First of all, make sure the engine's cold. Cold engine on cold start. If there's been any oil leaking, it'll be in the cylinders, you'll see it in the smoke. Next step, start the engine. Is there any smoke? Any blue smoke will be burning oil. Any white smoke will be burning coolant.
Step 4, we're going to jump in the car and we're going to check electrics. Electrical problems are expensive and you don't want to deal with them. So obviously check for lights on the dash, airbag light, engine management light, things like that.
Yep.
Check all your electrics work. Thanks, Stuart. Check all your electrics work. Make sure your mirrors work, things like that. That's what you want to be checking.
Step 5, tyres and brakes. Make sure there's no damage to the sidewalls, no cracks, no cuts. Legal tread depth is 1.6 millimetres across the 3/4 of the tyre. So make sure you've no bald marks here, make sure you've no cords showing, make sure there's no big cuts, no nails. Check the brand of tyre. Is it a recognised brand? Is it a cheap brand? It shows if I put money into the car or not. Bridgestone. You want to make sure the tyre sizes match front to back, side to side. Legally, you can have a different size tyre on the front to the back, but you can't have a different size tyre on this front tyre and that one. They have to match. Brakes, visually. Is the disc grooved? This one is. It's also roughy, it's been sitting for a while. You can get a good look in, especially if you take a torch, to the pad. You can see the pads in there. There is no legal requirement for thickness of pads for inspection purposes, but you want to make sure it's got at least 7mm, 8mm on it. Anything less than that, you're really going to look into getting new pads put on. They should come out about 14-15mm from factory.
6, you just want to get a general feel for the person selling the car. Basically, are they being sketchy? Are they avoiding questions? Are they trying to take your attention away from something? Just watch out. You don't know who's selling the car. So mate, when did you buy the car?
No long ago. No. No long ago.
Why are you selling it?
Just didn't like the colour.
Right.
Yeah.
Service history?
Huh?
If you went through all that and you're happy, time to go for a test drive.
Yes. Make sure all the gears engage. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth if you've got it, if you're lucky enough. But yeah, just make sure all the gears engage, there's no crunching, there's no bangs, there's no knocks. Make sure reverse engages as well. You don't be stuck anywhere. How does the clutch feel? How does the handbrake feel? Put it on, try and stall the car. Does the car stall? Perfect, handbrake works. Check the steering, left to right, full lock, full lock. Make sure there's no bangs, squeaks, knocks. Anything that sounds expensive is going to be expensive. The quieter the car, the better.
So that is our top 7 things that we do buying a car. Stuart, you got anything else to add?
Yeah, there's also the honourable mentions here. Take a friend. Nobody likes to be stuck here themselves. You might feel pressured into buying something. You might miss something. A buddy can also look around the car, see things you've not seen.
And generally, just for safety.
Yeah.
You don't know who these people are. They could be anyone.
Car from. Yeah. Other things we would say, have a good look around the car. Ask as many questions as you can.
You can't ask too many questions.
Cannot. If you don't feel right, don't buy it. You know, that's the general rule of thumb. You have to be comfortable giving your hard-earned money to someone else for their vehicle. You don't want somebody else's problems. But yeah.
At the end of the day, Stuart, buying a car for some people is the most expensive thing you're going to do outside of buying a house.
Yeah, it really can be.
So you really have to think this through.
But it's also fun.
It is fun.
Yeah.
If you're going to take a friend, do not take a friend like us.
No.
Because we just encourage each other.
Yeah, we have far too many cars.
Take your smart friend.
Yeah.
So anyway, guys, yeah, that was our top 7 things. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Catch us later.
Bye.
Okay. Happy car buying. Safe car buying.